So these images on which site? In this case, it's Cartoon Smart, on which I had a license. Yeah, that's it. That should normally be the link. Yeah. The other one is Adobe, but there, however, the licenses are much more expensive. It arrived, we put it. You see, it's not bio, it actually didn't take my copy. We have an HTTPS. As it is, like B. So the other one is Adobe, but on Cartoon there is a lifetime payment option of I don't remember how much. They regularly have promotions, and as a result we have access to several hundred packs, images, sounds, things like that. And from time to time, regularly, or rather irregularly, monthly, we get additional stuff with courses on development. Originally, it was a site where we had development courses for iOS to make video games on it, and Telos, Learn, Objective-C, Swift. The author of the courses in question has completely disappeared from the scene. I suspect that the site has been taken over by someone else. And since then, the only developments I see are the occasional additions by other people of downloadable content. So, from which we officially obtain the licenses, thus included in our lifetime subscription on the thing. But indeed, the starter pack, which was rather amusing, has lots of nice and animated little characters. And it's true that it was practical. Otherwise, I also use Kenney. I managed to, when I use that too. Kenney, who recently and successfully released a new all-in-one pack, which is available on itch.io with 40,000 resources for $20 or something like that, which is also on sale for $10. He's crazy. He's completely crazy. Well, after that, he also offers quite a few for download without paying anything, so that helps. But here, clearly Kenney is the source of files, images, and other resources for quite a few independent game developers who don't have graphic design at hand. Same. In all the game jams, there are inevitably people who use stuff from Kenney, and so he offers some for free on his site, as well as some for a fee. Countries, it's still his game plan, so he has packs for sale, and in this case he has redone a complete pack of everything he had put online so far. Pure itch.io, and it is now $10 at the moment. So it's fair to say that if we can pay more, it's nice for him, because in any case, it's well worth it. He recently updated packs from 2017, so it's fair to say that when you buy this, you get regular updates. And as a result, it provides resources for the games we make when we need them. Afterwards, of course, there's so much in there that you have to dig through it to know what we want to do. But it's true that it has been the source of quite a few games for me, actually. Notably Ok Ducky, which we made last year during, I think during the action site. Ichio. Ok Ducky. This shooting game, in fact, uses images from him directly. So he had a pack with the images, and so what better way to practice than to use existing images to create the game that was suggested by the game's images. So it was quite fun to make and then to edit in Delphi. The videos are available on replay on Serial Streamer usually. which I still haven't edited for the one from... It should have been there if I'm not mistaken. Sidaction 2021. I didn't open a section for Sidaction 2022 because even though I was online, I didn't officially stream for... So give me 4 Sidaction. My bad. We were bluffing that weekend. We'll set the bluff all day. Yeah, we developed the library to do that. And okay, from whom? Yeah, that's it. It was on that weekend. So the replay videos, that is to say, about 50 eggs are available on it. And I will need to cut them at some point to put them directly into the game section, since that was the whole point, that in fact to make pieces, to cut, to group by project. The things, so obviously there, for now there's actually nothing. Even though I have the content and the complete development of the game on video. But obviously it takes a huge amount of time to cut.